If you have a pair of pants that fit you like this, keep on watching to learn how to make them fit you like this instead. This technique can work on pants for men, women, boys, and girls. To do this, you need the following items: a pair of pants, some pins, a ruler, a tape measure, something to draw on your pants, preferably tailor's chalk, but a pen, pencil, or marker works too, scissors, and a sewing machine. First, you want to try on your pants to see how much excess space there is. Do this with the wrong side of the pants facing out. Pinch the excess fabric and add pins to the parts you would like to fit you closer. You can do this for only one leg and use the first leg as a template, or you can do this for both legs. Gently take the pants off so the pins stay in place. Lay the pants on a flat surface and use a ruler to draw a straight line with your pins as a guide. For an ad-free version of this and many other tutorials, join my Patreon. The link is in the description. Shift the pins to match the line if needed. If you only pinned one leg, measure the distance on this leg and draw the same distance on the other leg. Here I'm folding these pants in half and I'm using the line on the first leg to draw the line on the other leg by simply folding up and then tracing onto the other leg. Use a ruler to refine the line and check to make sure that the measurements on both of the legs are the same. If you're doing this with denim pants, you will notice that one side has a top stitch seam and the other side doesn't. So make sure that you're doing this on the seam without the top stitch. The hem of denim pants are usually very thick, and a remedy for this is to use your seam ripper to undo the stitches on the hem and continue your line all the way down. Sew along each line from one end to the next and be sure to backstitch at the beginning and end. I am using a size 14 universal needle in my industrial sewing machine with a stitch length of 4. If your pants don't stretch, be mindful of the hem and make sure that your feet can still fit. A good way to do this is to take away no more than ½ of an inch away from the seam. This would be a total of 1 inch since the pants has 2 layers. I actually prefer to sew from the hem up to the top of the pants, and the beautiful thing about drawing this line is that you have a guide that you can sew on top of. That way you're not just guessing and making any mistakes. Before we go any further, here is a quick tip. Sometimes there's another top stitch up here by the pocket like this. And for best results, you want to taper off your stitching before you actually get to this point. Your line must taper off into the original seam of the pants. To finish the hem of the pants, fold along the original line and sew where the previous stitches were. Stitching on the right side of the fabric can help you to keep it straight and in alignment with how it was before. Turn your pants right side out and try them on to make sure they fit the way you want them to. You can cut away the excess fabric or you can use an overlocker to finish it. Now these pants are looking so much better. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the So Quaint channel. If you want to make the waist of your skirt fit you tighter, watch this video next and check out this playlist for more clothing alteration tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.